Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix error code in error code NP-34954-5 PS4. So this error code typically indicates a network connectivity issue. So here are some steps you can take to try and resolve this error. So first you just need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your PS4 is properly connected to the internet. Just make sure that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable and working correctly. You can test your internet connection from the PS4 settings menu under Network. Then go to Test Internet Connection. And if there are any issues with your connection, just try resetting your router and or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Next is to simply restart your PS4 because sometimes a simple restart can solve network related errors. Just turn off your PS4 completely, including unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on again. And test if the error still occurs after the restart. Next is to update the system software. Ensure that your PS4 is running the latest system software. Just go to Settings and then go to System Software Update and check for any available updates. If an update is found, download and install it. Keeping your system software up to date can help address compatibility issues that may be causing the error. Next is to check PlayStation Network. Occasionally, the error may be due to maintenance or server issues on the PSN side. Just visit the official PlayStation Network service status page or check official PlayStation social media accounts for like announcements or ongoing issues. So if there's a service outage, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved. Next is to disable proxy server. So if you have configured a proxy server on your PS4, try disabling it. Proxy servers can sometimes interfere with your connections, cause errors. Just go to settings and then go to network. Then set up internet connection. Then go to use Wi-Fi or use LAN cable. Depends on your connection type. Then go to custom and then proxy server and then click the do not use. And then just save the settings and test your internet connection again. Next is to check firewall or router settings. Some routers or firewalls have settings that can interfere with PS4's network connection. Temporarily disable any firewall or security settings on your router and check if the error persists. If the error is resolved, you may need to adjust your router settings to allow the necessary network access for the PS4. Next is to use Google DNS. So changing your DNS settings to Google DNS may help resolve network-related errors. Just go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Set up Internet Connection, and then go to Use Wi-Fi, just like before, or Use LAN cable. Next, go to Custom, and then go to IP address settings, and then click Automatic, and then DHP host name. Then click Do Not Specify, and then DNS settings and click manual. Set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Then just save the settings and test your internet connection. Next and last is the contact PlayStation support. Of course, if the error persists after trying the above steps, It is always recommended to reach out to the companies or to the PlayStation support for further assistance. Provide them with specific error code like the NP-34954-5 and any relevant details about your network setup because they can provide more specific troubleshooting steps and help you resolve the issue. So it is worth noting that network errors can sometimes be temporary and resolve themselves over time. And if the error persists, it may be indicative of a deeper network issues that requires further investigation or assistance from PlayStation support or internet service provider. That is all for this video, and I hope you like. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification button so you won't miss any video. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.